Here is a math tip that can make inequalities easier to understand. Instead of saying x is greater than 5, let's say all solutions are greater than 5. Let's make a solution set. A solution set are numbers that make your inequalities true. So let's come up with 3 numbers that are greater than 5. 9 is greater than 5, 20 is greater than 5, and 31 is greater than 5. Now we understand where our solutions lie on the number line. So let's draw a number line, and we only need 3 hash marks. You put the number that you're referring to in the middle, and then go up 1 hash mark and go back 1 hash mark. Circle the number that you are referring to. 5 is not greater than 5, so therefore the circle will remain open. Now let's look at our solution set to determine which side of the number line our solutions lie. 9 is to the right of 5. 20 is to the right of 5. 31, this is to the right. So all of our solutions are going to the right. So when you shade your number line, it will look like this. When reading inequalities, just remember to say all solutions instead of the variable. Then start with your solution set and then graph. Follow Shekinah's Math Center for more quick math tips.